Project management, the practice of initiating, planning, executing, controlling, and closing the work of a team to achieve specific goals and meet specific success criteria. Methodologies, a set of principles, practices, and procedures used to manage a project or program. Linear approach, a sequential, step-by-step process where each step follows the previous one and precedes the next. Overlapping phases, a project management approach where two phases are conducted simultaneously, with one phase starting before the previous one ends. Sashimi model, a project management methodology that is similar to the waterfall approach, but with two overlapping phases, allowing for some degree of flexibility. Waterfall, a linear project management methodology where the project is broken down into distinct, sequential phases, with each phase being completed before the next one begins. Modified waterfall, a project management methodology that is similar to the waterfall approach, but allows for some degree of flexibility by permitting the project to go back to the previous phase, but not beyond it. Programming language, a set of instructions used to communicate with a computer, allowing it to perform specific tasks. Executable file, a file containing a set of instructions that can be run directly by a computer's operating system, without the need for additional software to interpret the instructions. Compiled languages, programming languages that are compiled into machine code, which can be executed directly by a computer's processor. Scrum, an agile project management methodology that emphasizes flexibility and collaboration between team members. Product owner, in Scrum, the person responsible for defining and prioritizing the product backlog, representing the stakeholders, and ensuring that the team delivers value to the business. Open source, software that is released under a license that allows the source code to be viewed, modified, and distributed freely by anyone. Security misconfigurations, vulnerabilities that arise from misconfiguring security settings, such as default passwords, unnecessary open ports, and unpatched software. OWASP, the Open Web Application Security Project, an organization that focuses on improving software security through best practices, standards, and tools.